Hi, I'm Mark. I have an oven in my car and little to no experience in baking. Join me as I bake in my car.
Today we're camped in Wollemi National Park. The sun's shining, and I'm going to show you how to turn your car into a bakery. We're learning to make bread in a Travel Buddy oven. Here are the ingredients you're going to need. Here's a list you can screenshot for later. Along with your 12-volt oven, you're going to need a measuring cup, a spoon, and a few bowls. Now let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your packet of yeast and pour it into a bowl. Now fill up a measuring cup and pour it in. After you've done this, add in a teaspoon of sugar. This will help to activate the yeast. Now stir it all together. Now set a timer and leave it for 5 minutes. If you see a misty ring on the outside of the bowl, you know that the yeast is ready to go. Now pour the yeast into a mixing bowl. Add a cup of flour and then give it a stir.
Mix it all together.
When this mixture is combined, add a bit of salt. Now we get to the fun bit. Add in another 2 cups of flour and get ready to start kneading. Now start in the bowl and knead the dough for 10 minutes. Eventually it'll come together and you'll be able to fold it over on the bench like this. I know this seems like hard work, but it's worth it in the end.
Fold it over like this.
After 10 minutes, it should look roughly like this. Now put it in a bowl, cover it up, and leave it over in the sun. We're putting ours over with the solar panels. If you're interested, I bought these bowls from Drifter 4x4. I'll put a link to their website in the description. Set a timer for 30 minutes and enjoy your afternoon.
After this time, your bread should have doubled in size, just like this. Now take it back to the car, or wherever you're working, and degas it.
Set a timer for 5 minutes and start kneading again. The trick here is to keep folding it over to get the gas out of the middle. If you put a bit of flour on the bench, it makes it easier. Once again, hard work but worth it. Shape your dough into a little roll and put it into an oven-friendly tin. I'm using this activated eco stainless steel lunchbox. Now cover it and leave it in the sun for 30 minutes to rise. Once that's done, whack it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees. Leave it for half an hour, then come back and inspect your results. Pull it out of the oven, and it should look something like this. Be careful when you pull it out of the tray, because it'll be hot. Congratulations, you've just made bread. Break off a piece and give it a try. If you're feeling a bit extra, melt some butter and crushed garlic in a pan and dip the bread in. It's not healthy, but it's delicious. And there you have it, a loaf of bread, all baked in your car at camp. Thank you for watching Baked in My Car. Make sure to like and subscribe and to follow us on Instagram @BakedInMyCar.